Every time you launch a campaign, Amazon suggests a bid. They said bid 350 to be competitive. And because you are scared of getting 0 views, you listen. That suggest bid is not designed to make you profit, it's designed to clear their inventory of ad slots. So if you bid what Amazon wants, you are donating your margin to Jeff Bezos. So stop bidding blindly. Today I'm going to show you how to calculate your max safe bid, the exact number where you are mathematically guaranteed to stay profitable. And we are going to see how far off Amazon actually is. To find your max bid, you need to work backward from your profit, not forward from your feelings. First, we find your ad budget per sale. If you sell earbuds for 80 and your costs are 30, you have 50 left. But you want to keep 16 as pure profit. That leaves you with 34 to spend on acquiring the customer. So here is the magic variable. It's a conversion rate. If 18% of people buy, you can afford to pay 2.88 per click. That is your ceiling. 1 penny more and you lose money. But we don't bid the ceiling, we bid for safety. Let's run the numbers for a pair of premium wireless earbuds. Over here I put in my real cost, tariffs, FBI fees, no hiding. I'm telling the tool I want and I demand 20% margin. I'm not negotiating, so I click generate PPC prompt and you can see the prompt over here. It's a huge prompt, so just click copy prompt. And now we just paste here in ChatGPT. Now watch what happens when we force the AI to respect our wallet. So look at this number. Final max CPC is 2.88. The math says I could bid up to 2.88 and break even. But look at the recommended starting bid. $1.73. That is the safe zone and that is where you print your money. So Amazon wants you to bid 350 and the math says 1.73. If you listen to Amazon, you would be overpaying by 100% on every single click. And don't forget about these negative keywords like refurbished, parts free. The tool gives you the list of words that will drain your budget before you even wake up. So you're not a gambler, you're a systems operator, and download the tool, run your numbers and set your bids to the penny. But a perfect bid is useless if you are bidding on the wrong keywords. You need to find the golden keywords that actually convert at 18%. I built a separate tool just to find high intent keywords that competitors ignore. Watch that breakdown right here. See ya.